Today, let's go to a gas station. I arrived at a gas station. This is a regular gas pump that you can find in a gas station in the United States. They have different numbers like this. Today, we will look for answers to these questions. What do the numbers mean? Is the premium gasoline really good? In addition, it contains alcohol. Why is that? Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Professor Peter. What's the benefit of premium gasoline? Does it give you better gas mileage? In a nutshell, the premium gasoline is not made for better fuel efficiency. It doesn't dramatically improve the engine performance either. Then why are they selling the premium gasoline? To understand the benefit of the premium gasoline, we need to understand how the engine works first. Engines produce thrust from the explosion of fuel. In general, car engines use a four-step process: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. First, the air-fuel mixture goes in the cylinder. Second, the fuel is compressed. Third, the fuel is exploded. And lastly, burnt gas is pushed out. This type of engine is called a four-stroke engine. In gasoline engines, we need small fire from the spark plug, and for efficient operation of engines, the spark plug should make fire in a timely manner. By the way, when the air is compressed, its temperature goes up. We can see a similar phenomenon when you add air to tires using air pumps. The tires and the pump nozzle get slightly warm. When the air-fuel mixture is compressed in the engine, the temperature goes up and sometimes the fuel catches fire and explodes before the spark plug fires. It is called engine knocking because you can hear knocking sound from the engine. If you have engine knocking, the efficiency gets low and the unnecessary load is applied to the engine. It is an absolutely bad situation. The premium grade gasoline can reduce the engine knocking. The gasoline grades are measured by these numbers called octane rating. The higher the octane rating is, the less knocking occurs. The octane rating sounds like a ratio of octane to gasoline, but it has a little bit different meaning. Gasoline consists of many kinds of hydrocarbon. Depending on the combination of these ingredients, gasoline may produce lots of knocking or sometimes less knocking. In principle, we can try to calculate the overall knocking effect of given gasoline by combining the knocking effect of each ingredient, but this approach is way inefficient because there are too many types of hydrocarbons. Rather, we measure the octane rating by comparing the gasoline with the reference fuel. Octane is one type of hydrocarbon which does not actively induce the engine knocking. In contrast, heptane makes knocking very well. By mixing these two chemicals, we can control the amount of knocking. Suppose that you made a reference fuel with octane 80% and heptane 20%. If the knocking level from your gasoline is the same as one from this reference fuel, then the octane rating of your gasoline is 80. There are two ways of measuring the octane rating. In RON, we test the fuel in a controlled situation. But for MON, the fuel is tested in more realistic situations, such as with higher engine operation speed. In the US, we use the average of these two numbers as the official octane rating. We can find it in the gas pump like this. Long ago, I kind of tested with my car. For about 3 months, I used the premium gasoline only and I calculated the gas mileage. Maybe because my car was not luxurious, the gas mileage was worse than before. You may have to use the premium gas if you have a luxurious car. For those cars, the user manual specifically tells you to use the gasoline with the high octane rating. because the engine is designed so that it runs optimally with the high octane rating gasoline. Ethanol helps gasoline burn more completely and therefore produce less emission. In the United States, some states mandatorily add ethanol to gasoline, and many other states voluntarily mix the ethanol to gasoline for better environment. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.